In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an under construction page Squarespace. If your website isn't quite ready for the world, an under construction page is a clean, professional way to let visitors know what's happening while you work behind the scenes. We'll use Squarespace's built-in lock screen, so you don't need any code or third-party tools. Make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and on your site's dashboard. From the main dashboard, start by clicking on Website. This takes you into the core area where you manage everything about your site. Next, click on Pages. This is where your navigation, hidden pages, and special system pages live. Inside the Pages panel, look for System Pages. These are the default pages Squarespace uses for things like error messages, password prompts, and the lock screen. Click on System Pages to open that list. Find Lock Screen and click it. The lock screen is the page visitors see when your site is locked or set to private. It's perfect for a coming soon or under construction message because it takes over the entry point to your site with a simple, focused design. Now click Change Layout. Squarespace provides a set of clean, ready-made lock screen layouts. Choose one that suits your brand style. Minimal if you want a simple message, or a layout with space for an image if you plan to add visuals later. Selecting a layout will immediately preview it, so you can see how your message will appear. With a layout chosen, click Branding and Text. This is where you control the content and basic styling for the lock screen. In the body field, type Under Construction. Keep it short and clear so visitors instantly understand the status of your site. Your site title or logo may already display depending on your theme and layout, so the body text is the key line everyone will read. When you're happy with the message, click Save. Saving applies your updates to the lock screen design so everything is ready the next time someone hits your site while it's locked. Finally, click Lock Screen again to return to the main view and confirm your changes. At this point, your under construction page design is in place. Whenever your site is in a locked state, visitors will see this page first, along with your concise message. That's it. You've created a professional under construction page using the built-in lock screen, chosen a layout, added clear messaging, and saved your changes, all within Squarespace's editor. When you're ready to launch, you can return here anytime to refine the layout or update the text. Thanks for watching, and happy building.